Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Lelit Pl041, a quick mill machine, and this was actually brought in and it's looking so good compared to the way it did when it came in. It had fallen off a tractor or had been run over by a tractor, something to that effect, and what happened was the top and the bottom of the boiler came disconnected. There's a copper pipe that goes through the boiler that allows water to go through a solenoid valve and then through the brew group, and that had disconnected and the threads from the copper pipe were lodged in there. So replaced the bottom of the boiler as well as the copper pipe, and then this quick release thread connection that goes on the top. We also ended up replacing the solenoid valve as well, and then did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the group screen and gasket, and running D-scale through the boiler and through the wand and all of the water lines. And now here it is, looking great and working great, and we'll test its features. Start with steam. We'll just take a moment to purge the water from the wand. And this thing actually has pretty good steam pressure for its size. You see a little water drip out of the group head, but that's normal for this machine. Yeah, you can hear the steam now, it's like really cooking. Alright, good enough. We'll test the hot water function. Activate the pump. Alright, there you go. Switch. Hot water. Alright, now we'll stop that and close the wand. There we go. There's a little dripping there, but like I said before, for this machine that is normal. It's how the three-way valve operates. That's why you rotate the wand back inside. And this dripping will stop after maybe 30 seconds or so, just releasing pressure that's in the line. Alright, now let's, might need two hands. There we go. Alright, now we'll pull a shot. Beautiful. No leaks. Good pour. Very happy with this machine. It was just such in disrepair when it came in. So nice to see it functioning the way it should again. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.